Hi everyone. This is the first time I think I'm doing the stream from this laptop from the MacBook, and it took me a while to realize that I have been talking for 10 minutes and experimenting without being on the right anyway. So today we're going to try to recreate this let's see, I will just leave the chat here just in case. If somebody says something or has a suggestion, feel free to leave it there. And this is what we are trying to do. I will show you the tutorial here. Something like this. So 3D CMS slider. And I'll try to do it with 3 card images or slides. And for the help, I use Claude. I gave here the detailed prompt, and here it gave me even the code and some fairly easy instructions. But disclaimer, I'm no code developer, and I prefer visual designing and development and drag and drop, so that's why I asked the AI to help me, because I would be struggling a lot if I have to do it by myself. So we have like less than an hour, and I will try to do as much as possible. And I already created here one project that was on one of the 3 sites that you get for free from Webflow, but then when it comes to custom code, you need to have the one that is hosted. I will try not to touch the mic as much. So first let's create a new page, and let's call it 3D slider. And let's see which ones should we first follow, the ones that are on the left instructions or the one on the right. But here it says, like, I recommend following the simplified steps with the preset slider. Structure your content, okay, apply the effect and add interactions, set up the click and hover states as described, test and adjust, preview and adjust the spacing and timing to preferences. Proper use of the transform style, preserve 3D and perspective properties, and spacing between slides. Okay, translate Z value. That one was the one that was bugging me yesterday when I tried it for the first time, and I think it was the moving. They provide here a link, but I don't know if it's actually working. Yeah, it's not a real link. It would be nice, but I love the 404 page. Okay, I can help you troubleshoot once you start implementing this. Okay. Okay, let's start first with the section, adding a section. I'm going to close this playground and I'm going to just do the same thing here, adding a section. Then they say add a container with max width, I presume within that section, and max width will be 1000 pixels. Okay, inside the container create a div block and name it slider wrapper. Okay, but here it says start with a preset. What do you think? Should we actually add the slider, or just follow these steps for now and then see if we can do that? because I think if we add the slider and then just add the code, it might not work. Okay, I will just follow the steps and we'll see what happens. Inside the slider wrapper, add a div block called slider track. Another div block. Okay. I call it tracker, but I want it to be track. Okay. Add 3 div blocks inside the slider track, name them slide. Okay, 3 more. If you can hear music, it's a Lofi radio. Okay, we have the 3 slides. In each slide, add an image, optimal size 400, 500. Text elements as needed. We don't need them, so I'll just add these headphones, although they're a bit too big actually. But as it says in these instructions, wait, did I put them in the right places? No, this one is not in the right one. Okay, under each div we have image. Okay. Now essential custom CSS, that one should be copied. Copy the custom CSS from above into your project settings. By project settings, I assume they mean the page and then custom code. Alright. And I guess we put it here, but it doesn't look into the project settings. Okay, I assume that it's in here, but it doesn't get styled, so we shall see. Save. Okay, and after that, create a custom states in Webflow default. Is active, is prev, is next. Custom states, what do you mean? Hi Coffee, are you using Webflow? Do you have experience with Webflow? Okay, let's ask Claude, do we add the custom code in the head? I think it was inside head. Also, how to create custom states in Webflow. For each state, the following. The instructions are, can you rewrite in more detailed language? Let's see. I'm asking multiple questions at once because we have like just a couple of how it's called, credits to use Claude per day, so Custom code are like different versions of an event. Equal them are different. Okay, the Z position values. Okay. Let's see what it showed us here. Add a section. Okay, we did that. Set the width slider wiper 100%. Wait a minute. Now you're giving us the 100% here. Okay, maybe that's a default. Height at least 600 for the wrapper, slider wrapper. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Inside the slider wrapper, add a div slider track, set the width to 100%. 100%. Okay, let's see if this actually will change anything. Name each one slide. We didn't name it slide, but we're gonna name them now slide. Maybe the code will not work if the naming is not correct, which I'm sure it will be the case in the future. So okay, we have the slide. Add your image content to each slide. Set the width to 400 pixels for each slide. .400 pixel width. Oh, nice. And 500 height. You said so. But this one disappeared. Where? Okay, we're gonna leave it like this, I believe. So this is 400. Okay, it looks okay. It looks better now. And now adding the custom CSS. Open the navigation panel, shortcut G. Oh no, that's for Flexbox apparently. Or just G. Ah, okay. Then click on the settings icon. Okay. And then custom code tab. We don't have custom code tab here. Okay. It's here, the code is here. Head code section, paste this one. Now it's so much smaller. Look how big this one is. Now it looks different. Okay. We already have something going on here. We have the preserve 3D state step by step. Select your first slide in the navigator. I guess you mean here. Yes, we select the first slide. Top right on the style panel, click on the states menu. States. That's the wait, this is where the states are. Okay, so we need to it shows a plus symbol, it's arrow, but okay. Maybe we need a new one. Oh, how do we? That's for combo class. We cannot add a different state, I think. Create a new state. It's not. Expand. Is it maybe this one? Create component. No, that was a cute one. Can we create different states here? Custom attributes. Google, it's your turn. How to create a new state. I'm looking for an option to add a custom state, but new state when it's active. Hover pressed focused. Okay, maybe step number 5 I can skip it for now and maybe find a way to do it later, or create these 3 states, but or should I ask another AI for help? If you have any ideas how to do this, let me know, because I honestly at the moment I don't see how on a div we can create an additional state. So I'm just going to skip this step for now, number 5. We will come back to it later, or I will do it off camera so we can see later if it's relevant or not. But I think it is, because of the slider functionality. Okay. I'm going to ask for help how to create it on the already existing slider preset from Webflow. Existing slider preset. Okay, this seems a bit complicated. Can you help me apply this 3D effect on the existing slider preset from Webflow? Please keep the instructions as detailed, and let's start over. Thank you. Always be nice to AIs because it gives you more nicer answers and better results. So let's see what will happen. starting from scratch is not really the best option in my opinion, because of all these custom things that I don't know how to do and I cannot find a way to do it. It's taking its time. Okay. And by the time Claude is generating, I will open a chocolate. Because I delayed my lunch for this experimentation over here. Okay, let's see what happens. The overflow, yes, true. Okay. Okay. Let's do it. So, drag slider to your page. Let's do something. I'm going to add another section. And a div block in the section. And now, components. That's my alarm. I'm supposed to finish the stream right now. Almost. Let's give it a go and see how this will work. Components, slider, and drag it into your page. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have a left arrow, right arrow, mask. Okay. But there is nothing in it, so that's just a fill color, I believe. Yes, no? Slide 1. We have 3 slides, but that's the color. Okay. Let's keep it for now. There's nothing anyway. Okay. Select the slider component in the style panel, set width to 100%. Slider component. Okay. %100% width, which is already set max width. And set height to at least 600 pixels. Okay. Max? Oh no, just height. Okay. Okay, now it's become a little bigger. Find slider mask in the navigator. Set overflow to visible. The mask. Overflow. Visible. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. Things are changing. Okay. Style each slide. Set width to 400. Width 400 pixels. Okay. I wanna add it. No, 400 pixel. Okay, we're gonna do it like this for now. It doesn't give me classes, so we're not going to bother with the classes now. Okay, and set height to 500 pixels. Okay. each has to have 500. That's the image that I was looking for when I was offline preparing for the stream. That was a good test run actually. So we have this, and add padding of 20 pixels, I assume everywhere for each slide. Padding 25. Was it with shift? Yes, with shift. Shift padding 25. Yes, I learned the command finally and applied it. Okay. Oh, 20. I put 25. Is that a problem? No, but is it easy to fix? Yes. And did I press it on time? No. So let's do it. 25. No, 25. 20. Okay, it's changed now. Here 20. I should hold it the whole time, maybe? Yes, okay, it's good. Okay, add your content to each slide, an image recommended size. We know about this, but we don't have this kind of proportions of we'll choose image. Let's choose a book. I don't really have this kind of everything looks huge, to be honest. Yeah, this one is cover, middle. Yeah, let's keep it like that. Slide 11. Let's choose. Maybe the books will not be a bad idea. Oh yeah, let's do the books. Okay, let's do the books for a better. They might work. Atomic Habits. Yeah, look at this. So much better for presentation. Okay, and the other one, which book I really like? The Power of Now. Yes. Is it cover? No, but here it is. Now it's cover. Okay. Maybe like this. Yeah, okay. Now, what should we do? After we added the image, text if minute. Okay, style and text we don't need at the moment. Open project settings, click the head code, that one. Okay, we're gonna copy it again. And just in case, if Claude changed anything, I'm going to paste it again. Fine tune the effect, but is there something? Now it looks a little bit broken, doesn't it? We don't see the arrows. Now I can see them. Why they were hidden, I don't understand. Okay. Let's see now. Now I can see, but we have only one slide at the moment. Okay. So the effect to happen, we have to have them kind of separate. So let's see if that will be easy to do. Excuse me. Find translate Z minus 2 pixel in the custom code. Okay, let's find it. Increase the number for more depth to minus 300. Okay. I don't see anything visible changing. Decrease it for less depth. Shall we make it more dramatic so we can actually see something? Does it work? Not sure. Find opacity for inactive slides. How do we know which ones are inactive? I can see just one slide one. Okay, this one will be 0.7. But where would we change that opacity? Good question. We just have the imported images here. Okay, maybe we can skip that step for now. Find transition. It means in the code. Oh, silly me. The launch is needed. Okay. So find 0 and change value between 1 and 0. So I should make it even lower, I guess. 5. And then transition out to 0.5 seconds to slower, 0.8 or faster. Let's make it 0.3, I guess. Faster. Optional enhancements. Select each slide in the style panel and add background color, border. Okay. If slides disappear, check the slider mask overflow is set to visible. It is set to visible, that we know. Yes. That one is also. If tree isn't working, verify the custom code is saved. Good point. Did I press save? I think I did. If the resistors are jerky, try reducing the transform values. Okay, let's preview. But the thing is that they're not separated and they're like stick to each other, and it seems like it's just one slide. You see? Do I need more slides? Or do I have to... There were some settings that I could do on the slider. How many to show? Duration. Infinite repeat. Spacing. Sorry, 20 pixels. Yeah. These are the slides. Okay, let's see what they have here. They have main section, container, layout, credits, header, slider, wrapper, swiper component, swiper wrapper, and slide components. Okay, and then the swiper components, pagination. Okay. Interesting. The overflow, the CSS. Ah, their CSS, it happens to be here inside of the actual page. Custom element. Can we add that? Maybe this is how it will work. I don't know if there is a difference. There is a difference. See, it gives that at least pop-up thingy. Ah, okay. So do I need to remove this code from here just in case? Let's see what happens. Okay, at least we have this zoom thingy. What else they have? At least it moved, guys. At least it moved. We got some kind of progress here. Wow. Okay. Okay, that's cute. But I want to treat each image as a different slide and separate them from each other so I can navigate through them to create distance between each book cover and swipe between them and create an overflow, overlapping kind of thing. Anyway, let's see what else they do here differently that might help our case as well. I think we should revisit this. Or even take their clonable and test it out with their tutorial and then try to implement the learned on our mini project. I think that would be good. What else they do here? Okay, they close the code. Sure. Yeah, the relation, the style sheet. Okay, good. Okay, which no, so depending on the hash. Okay, complicated coder stuff. It looks very cool, like super cool. Okay. Clickable. Wow. It is intricate. And somebody wants me to develop this for $100. Yeah, right. It takes so much time. I bet they didn't spend 1 hour doing this. It takes so much more time for this to be created. Okay. I think we have some kind of progress. This one I will just hide for now. I don't think we need it. And put it like this. And yeah, we are going to revisit this and see how we can actually create that effect in the future where they are separated. I will do some more research and maybe find another tutorial. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this stream and you learned something new about Webflow, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. I try to upload every week at least once. Yesterday I uploaded a new podcast episode where I interview people and learn about their business and how they started their business and how they're navigating at the moment. This last episode was with a copywriter, so if I can embed links I will probably put it here, but if not here it will be down in the description. And the goal of this year is to reach 1000 subscribers, and if you help me do that it will be amazing. Share with a friend if you want to join next stream, which I don't know when it will be, but I take suggestions and I often post in the community tab as well. And yeah, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.